How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 7 on the German Late Tuning YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the GTI's turn down exhaust I did. It was about 2 weeks ago in Vlogmas Day 2. My daughter Emma and I installed some coil packs. If you want to check that out too, it would be awesome if you did. And you could hear the exhaust sounding louder than a normal GTI. Well, I actually removed the rear section of the exhaust, so it still has the catalytic converter, the two pieces of the catalytic converter and the downpipe, and it also does not have the rear muffler anymore, and it has a turn down exhaust. So what I did was took a couple pieces of exhaust, chopped them up to make the correct bends, and then used some clamps to clamp it on, and it actually turns down facing the ground, so that allows some of the sound to come off the ground as well as underneath the vehicle. So it sounds good, actually. I'm gonna do some cruising clips so you can kind of hear how the inside of the cabin sounds, and then also a couple wide open throttle pulls also. So I just wanted to walk you through that real quick and let you know. S4 is still chilling behind me. I'm gonna do a video probably tomorrow, just driving it around. Haven't really driven it a whole lot recently, so it'll be a good excuse to take it out and have some fun. So stay tuned for that, but let's check out the exhaust. Alright, so you can see I removed the rear section of the exhaust and then installed these two curved pieces here, clamped them in there, and then the angle was cut so that it faces the ground more, and it sounds really good, especially when you get on into boost and everything like that. So I'm going to do a cold start right now so you can check out the cold start, and then we'll do some pulls. It's got high idle right now, so once the idle drops, it's pretty subtle actually, and while cruising it's really mild, but when you get on it you can definitely tell. So we'll go out and do some pulls. There you go, a little exhaust sound action for you, which I'm pretty stoked at how it turned out with the sound-wise. I mean, it's pretty much just doing a straight pipe with the stock downpipe, but with the turn down, it kind of gives it a little extra sound to it because it points it more toward the ground, kind of echoes off the ground, so you get a little different sound. This is with the stage 1 tune also, so it's not just a stock, it's stage 1 tune and then the turn down exhaust, and it did pick up some performance not having that rear section. It's pretty restrictive, so eventually I'll be doing a downpipe and an exhaust, a full exhaust on it pretty soon here. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, that way you can stay up to date with the rest of Vlogmas, and then continue on with the rest of the videos that I post from now on. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.